Hello, Go Learning students. Welcome to class today. So, today we're going to start a new topic talking about shapes. In our day-to-day life, we see shapes everywhere around us. So, I wanted to let you guys in on my desk and some items that I have on my desk in different shapes. So first, I want to show you of this picture of my cat. This is my cat. Can we say cat? Good. Cat. This is my cat. Meow, meow. Very cute. The picture of my cat is in the shape of a rectangle. Can you say rectangle? Rectangle. Good. We see a rectangle. Yeah. I also have this deck of cards, which is in the shape of a square. Can you say square? Good, square, square. I also have my coffee mug, which is in the shape of a circle. Circle. Can we say circle? Circle. Good. Circle. All right. Great job, students. Let's move on to our lesson today, talking about shapes. First, can I hear you say shapes? Shapes. Shapes. Good. Right? We hear that S for shapes. So here's our word shapes. Yeah. All right, cool. So the first shape that we talked about was circle. Circle. Yeah. So we do a lot of circling in our class, right? We draw circles together. Yeah. So the first circle here is a donut. Oh, I like donuts. I like to eat donuts. Yeah. Next, we have a little bouncy ball. Ball in the shape of a circle. Cool. Can we say circle? Circle. Good. Circle. Yeah. So here we have some circles. Can you think about what else is a circle? What else is shaped like a circle? Yeah, good job. And next we have a square. We saw my cards were in the shape of a square. And here we have some pizza in the shape of a square. Pizza. Can you say pizza? Pizza. I like pizza. Do you like pizza? Yes? Yeah. Square. Yeah. Can you say square? Square. Good. Good job, students. Square. Yeah. Oh, rectangle. So my picture is a rectangle, right? We know it's a rectangle because the top is really long, boop, and the side is really short, boop. And then we have another long side and then another short side. Rectangle. Square, rectangle. Square, rectangle. Good. Can we say rectangle? Good. One more time. Rectangle. Yeah, rectangle. So what objects do we have here as a rectangle? Well, we have a flag. Can you say flag? Good, flag. This is the flag of China, right? Flag of China. And this is the flag of America, the American flag. And it's shaped like a rectangle. We also have a table, which is shaped like a rectangle. Yeah. Good job, students. Rectangle. Lastly, we have a triangle. We can make a triangle with our hands. Can you make a triangle with your hands? Ooh, triangle. Cool. So, we have a sandwich in the shape of a triangle. I like sandwiches. Do you like sandwiches? Yeah? Yeah. We also have the pyramids. They are in the shape of a triangle. Cool. Wow. Triangle. Can you say triangle? Triangle? Good. So let's see which shapes we don't see. So 4 shapes. Number 1, triangle. Number 2, rectangle. Number 3, square. And number 4, circle. So let's play a game where we look with our eyes, and see which shapes we see. We see those shapes. And which shapes we don't see. We don't see. Let's try. Okay. What shapes do we see? Oh, we see a circle. Yeah, we see a C for circle. What else do we see? Yeah, a square. We see an S for square. And we see the flag of China, so we know we see an R for rectangle. Yeah. What shape don't we see? There's no triangle. Good, there's no triangle. We don't see a triangle. Good. Let's try the next one. What do we see? Which shapes? We see a C for circle. And we see some pizza. Pizza. S for square. And what is this shape? Yeah, T for triangle. So we don't see a rectangle. No, we don't see a rectangle. Good. What do we see? We see a ball. A ball, which is a circle. Good. We see a C for circle. We see a table, which is a rectangle. Good. We see a R for rectangle. And we also see a beep, 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 T for triangle. Good. So what shape don't we see? We don't see a square. No. We don't see a square. Okay, good job, students. Let's quickly review. Over here, we have a triangle, a rectangle, a square, and a circle. Good job today, students. Next class, we'll talk more about these shapes. But for today, it's time to say bye-bye. See you next class.